Good day everyone. So for today, we're going to study how to graph system of linear inequality. So we're going to graph this system. Let's get started. If we're going to graph y greater than 3x plus 1 and y less than or equal to negative 2x minus 2, we're just going to follow the same procedure we follow in graphing linear inequality. We're just going to repeat the procedure twice. First, graph y greater than 3x plus 1. If you're going to graph this, you're going to write this first into linear equation. This will become y is equal to 3x plus 1. Since the given equation is in slope-intercept form, to graph it, you can use its slope and y-intercept. So, the slope is 3, or shall we say 3 over 1 for the rise and run, and b is equal to positive 1. So if we're going to graph that, our initial point is located here. And to make our graph more accurate, we need two more points. And those points are located here and here. How are we going to connect those points? We're going to use boundary line. And if you're going to choose what kind of boundary line, you have to consider the inequality involves. Since this involves greater than, meaning we're going to use dash line to connect these points. And to complete, we're going to shade the appropriate region. And how? Very good. You're going to use a test point. In this case, let's use the coordinates of the origin. So, we simply substitute the coordinates of the origin to our inequality, and that will result in this. And to simplify, that is 0 greater than 1. And 0 greater than 1 is a false inequality. Therefore, we're going to shade away to our test points. So, this is the region that we're going to shade. Next, let's graph the other inequality, which is y less than or equal to negative 2x minus 2. So, we're going to write it first into linear equation, and that will become y is equal to negative 2x minus 2. Also, we're going to get the m and b, and m is negative 2 or negative 2 over 1, while the b is equal to negative 2. So, let's plot it. Our initial point is located here because it's negative 2, and to make it more accurate, we need two more points. So, the location is here and here. And those 3 points will be connected by a boundary line. Again, you're going to consider the inequality symbols involved. And this involves less than or equal to. Therefore, we're going to use solid line to connect those points. And to know the shaded region, again, we're going to use a test point. And that test point is the coordinates of the origin. Again, simply substitute. So, if we're going to simplify, that will result to 0 less than or equal to negative 2. And that is a false inequality. So again, you're going to shade this region, which is away to your test point. Now, this region is the overlapping region, wherein this region has a shade of red and blue. That's why it forms, or it is colored green now. And this color green is the location of our solution for the given system of linear inequality. So all points located here are solutions for the given system of linear inequality. So that's all.